Hello everyone. Children, I am continuing this part. Next point is fouls. A foul is an infraction of the rules involving legal personal contact with an opponent and or unsportsmanlike behavior. This is also infraction of the rules, but involving legal personal contact. It means individual foul with an opponent and unsportsmanlike behavior. Children, if question will come, what are the differentiates in between violations and fouls? So you have to explain violation. A violation is an infraction of the rules for which the ball is awarded to the opponents for a throw in from out of bounds. Is that clear? This is the definition of violation. And you have to write dribbling, A, B, traveling. It means running foul. You know running foul? Players taking move, then 2 steps, only 2.5 steps without bouncing the ball on the floor. This is called traveling. 3 seconds, 5 seconds, this one 5 seconds, 8 seconds, 24 seconds, backcourt foul and goaltending. So they all are points violations. Next, fouls. You have to explain this line. A foul is an infraction of the rules involving illegal personal contact with an opponent or unsportsmanlike behavior. There are 3 types of fouls. Clear? Only 3 types of fouls: personal foul, unsportsmanlike foul, and technical foul. 2 fouls also included: double foul and disqualifying foul. So you have to write double foul also and disqualifying. So number of fouls 5. First is personal foul, unsportsmanlike foul, and technical. After these fouls, player shall be awarded 2 free throw. And after disqualifying foul and double foul, after double foul, no free throw shall be awarded, and after disqualifying foul, also no free throw shall be awarded. Only player will be disqualified. Clear? First is personal foul. A personal foul is a player foul. Okay, it is a individual foul, player's foul, which involves legal contact with an opposing player, whether the ball is live or dead. Both the condition, live or dead. So this is the definition of personal foul. Personal foul like elbow, blocking. You have to hold the player, block, push, charge. Clear? Hip, knee. Don't use the hip, your knee or foot, nor by bending his body into an abnormal position. So these are personal fouls. These are technical terms of personal foul. First is illegal screening. Second is blocking, charging, illegal guarding, holding, illegal use of hands, and pushing. And penalty after personal foul. A personal foul shall be charged against the offender in all cases who is not in the act of shooting. It means not act of shooting. Game will start by throw in. Is that clear? And who is in the act of shooting? First penalty if the shot from the field goal area is successful. Is that clear? Field goal, it means basket, is successful. It shall count 1 free throw shall be awarded. Only you have to take 1 free throw. Is that clear? Second, if the shot from the 2-point field goal area is unsuccessful, 2 free throws shall be awarded. If the shot from the 3-point field goal area is unsuccessful, then 3 free throws shall be awarded. Is that clear? So this is the quote. First, if the shot from the field goal area is successful, basket counted, then one free throw shall be awarded. Is that clear? If the shot from the 2-point field goal area, which one 2-point field goal area? All. This one area is 2-point field goal area, then 2 free throws shall be awarded. And if the shot from the 3-point field goal area, 3-point field goal area, this area is 3-point field goal area, then 3 free throws shall be awarded. Is that clear? After the personal foul. Next is double foul. A double foul is a situation in which two opposing player, it means attacker and defender, offender and defender, players commit fouls against each other at approximately at the same time. At the same time, then players committed foul against each other. So this is the foul of double foul. Penalty: a personal foul shall be charged against each offending player. It means suppose St. Thomas player, then against the charged personal foul, and other teams, suppose St. Mary's team, then charged personal foul. Is that clear? No free throw shall be awarded. The game shall resume with a throw in or jump ball as the case may be. Clear? It means after this foul, after the double foul, game will start by a throw in. Otherwise, any doubt, then jump ball. Game will start by a jump ball. Next is unsportsmanlike foul. An unsportsmanlike foul is a personal foul. So it is also personal foul, unsportsmanlike foul, committed by a player which in the judgment of the official is not a legitimate attempt to directly, it means legitimate attempt means honestly to directly play the ball within the spirit and intent of the rules. Clear? So this is the unsportsmanlike foul. Excess contact hard foul, holding, kicking, deliberately pushing an opposing player, etc. So these are fouls, unsportsmanlike foul. Penalty: an unsportsmanlike foul shall be charged against offender and free throws awarded to the opponents as given below. If the ball is committed on the player not in the act of shooting. Is that clear? Not in the act of shooting. 2 free throw awarded. If the foul is committed on a player who is in act of shooting, it means shooting action, the goal if made shall count, and in addition 1 free throw. If the foul is committed on the player in the act of shooting who fails to score 2 or 3 free throws according to the place from where the shot for a field goal was attempted. So these are penalty of unsportsmanlike foul. Next is disqualifying foul. Any flagrantly unsportsmanlike behavior by a player, by a substitute, included player, by a coach, the assistant coach or team officials is a disqualifying foul. So this is the definition of disqualifying foul. A player shall also be disqualified when he is charged with 2 unsportsmanlike fouls. Clear? Penalty: free throws shall be awarded as above to the opponents, followed by position of the ball at midcourt. Next is technical foul. Technical foul means misconduct. For misconduct, acts of violence, flagrant acts of aggression, damaging game equipment, okay, you have to kick the ball, and rowdiness, etc. Technical foul shall be given and the penalty imposed accordingly, according to the official. Is that clear? So this is the technical foul. So children, violation and fouls are completed. So you have to learn from your book. Thank you.